Hey, just quick update on my dome cams that I'm working on. There's my dome, there's my cams. I did figure out the problem I was having with the motion. I have to be a little bit more controlled in how quick I'm trying to spin these cameras. This is a rotary encoder. It's a digital signal telling this how much to turn. This is a stepper motor. I have to allow the stepper motor time to communicate with the switch. So if I slow down my action, slow down the motor, it's actually works pretty good. So anyways, you see, what I also wanted to show you was, that's my Hero 3 Black Edition. It's currently recording me. Turn the camera off, and you see my camera is charging. How I'm doing that is I took a couple of these. This is a 3/4 inch copper pipe. You know, pick these up at Lowe's, wherever. And if you notice, then I hook it up to a coupling. This is an elbow. If I use a coupling or a cap or an elbow, I just need, what I did is I soldered a wire to this. I had to use a torch to get this hot enough to actually adhere to the solder. Soldered a wire to this part and to this part. And I cut this section off. I cut it down to where I only had, just enough to mount on the bottom of this plate. And then I cut about a 1/4 inch width off this, and I mounted it on this plate. If we take a look, get the reflections out. That is what you see. As you see in the bottom, I have a rubber washer that's electrically isolated by connecting a piece of copper pipe. You see the couplers on top, and if I scoot down here just a bit more, you can see it is also electrically insulated. That allows power to transfer between those two connecting copper pieces and feeds more power to the cameras. I'll tell you what, it is not exactly easy to do that. I had inside of those copper pipes is a series of different caps that I had that tend to fit the internal diameter of the pipes, and I was able to get perfect center on both of those. If they're not perfectly centered, you're going to get a lot of binding. The stepper motor ain't going to work. If those surfaces are not extremely polished and shined up and smooth, motor's going to bind up and it's not going to work. But I was able to get center, and that allows my cameras to rotate really smooth. My power comes off. I scavenged a USB power adapter, tapped it internally for 5 volts, pull my ground off my Easy Driver, and the ground connects there to the motor shaft, and you see the power wire from the top tube coming to the cameras. And it's not the prettiest, but you know what? It works. It works really good. I still have to get some cooling in here with the dome cam on, the sun out like it is right now. It gets very hot inside this dome. I don't expect I'll be using it until I get some ventilation on this. I'm thinking a couple 40 or 60 millimeter high, moderately powered fans, 12 volt fans. Just one blowing in, one sucking out, just to get a flow of air over the cameras to suck all the heat out. I've got ideas. I got plenty of sheet metal and lots of time to get this done. Might be some PVC pipe I'd use instead. Anyways, we'll see. It works. It's ready to go. Just got to get some cooling in there for these sunny days if I leave it on the roof. Otherwise, it'll be in the back of the truck, waiting to get thrown on top. Alright, thanks for watching. Bye.